what I want to focus on and get us back on track with is the fact that this is not Amazon Prime when it comes to being successful. I actually was about to start this video very like, this is how you can make $10,000 a month doing this. But then I realized that that's honestly very fake of me. And I'm sure that's all you see down your timeline. I don't want to sell you quick success. So which is why in today's video, I just want to really focus on the fact that you have to acquire some type of skill in order to make the amount of money that you just, desire to make. I am not saying that it's impossible to make $10,000 a month. I think it actually is very, very achievable. But I think what people are missing is the fact that you have to be willing to learn something that takes you out your comfort zone, that puts you in a space where you have to probably compromise, okay, maybe not go out as much just because you have to learn this skill to make this much money. Perhaps you want to leave your 9 to 5. That does require a lot of time learning something to break that traditional way of making money, so that way you can earn that in a 30-day span, all because you learned a new skill. I just feel like there's just so many videos out there like that, which is why I just want to kind of remix this whole culture of like, let's focus on the actual skills that we need to learn in order to make a certain amount of money successfully, legitimately, and just really just have this on repeat. Hey good people, if you're new here, my name is Alex, and just to give you a little bit of a story for me, I really am self-taught through this entire content creation career, okay? I started making videos on my iPhone 10 back in 2019. Unbeknownst to me, pandemic happened. So from November of 2019 to I think March of 2020, I was just pushing out the content on my iPhone. I had a refurbished MacBook. I taught myself how to edit. I literally put my phone in my room for an hour, locked myself in, and I just focused on learning how to edit. And at the time it was iMovie. Like I had just learned iMovie, didn't know CapCut, did not do Final Cut Pro. Honestly, I couldn't even afford Final Cut Pro at the time. I truly learned everything on my own. And I think that's where we have lost the plot, okay? Not to say that it's impossible to learn certain things. Some people are just fast learners. Some people just have that, natural knack of designing and video creation and all of that. But what I want to focus on and get us back on track with is the fact that this is not Amazon Prime when it comes to being successful. It does take some time and effort, skill, and sometimes a little bit of money to really get where you want to go. And I just don't want us to just really keep this narrative going. Like when I tell y'all I am not playing, I sat here before I pressed record and was like, Lord, I'm just about to be real. However it happens has to happen. I know I'll be clean. This is my channel, so I make sure I don't do anything crazy or say anything crazy, but I truly just need to express myself the way that I need to. And I feel like there's so many videos that could be misinterpreted, and then people are stuck in this misinterpretation rut, and now they're not, fulfilling what they need to do or what they want to do. So in today's video, I do want to focus on an app that I recently discovered, new to me, but not new to the app world, that you really can start using as a beginner when it comes to honestly maybe sharpening your creative skills, making money online, and just really strengthening a skill that will either take you out your 9 to 5, bring you the extra income on the side, and just all in all, you are in a position to where the skills that you've learned have now paved the way to become successful for you. But what we're not going to do is just jump on this bandwagon of here's how you can make $10,000 in 30 days. And then people are not really telling you play by play about how you're actually going to get there. So friends, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So that way you leave here actually knowing what you need to do to achieve that. And also just have the expectation that it might take some time, okay? There's nothing wrong with this, but don't think you're going to make this in 30 days just because you just watched this video. Y'all see this app right here? This is Procreate. Now, when it comes to being a total beginner and you want to maybe like doodle or make your own stickers, or perhaps, create images or turn pictures into custom portraits, this right here is going to be your best friend. Now, I downloaded this for free. I know there's like a paid version somewhere. I'm not paying for it if I don't have to be honest with you. But I will say that when it comes to starting off making money online, and you actually have an interest in like drawing and again creating like cute little things, cute little quirky things to perhaps sell on Etsy, then I think you should really start with Procreate. I really want to talk about the money you can make with this app because I think that no one really talks about it a lot. And I think that when it comes to your lifestyle, you can always be on the go with your iPad. You can be traveling with it. You can really create create anywhere, right, in the world when it comes to using Procreate. So when we talk about the skills that you may need to acquire, right, to make all this money, there are people who are making really good money, okay, from creating designs and creating artwork in Procreate. So let me just show you some receipts real quick. Now, personally, I think Procreate is very beginner friendly. I would not be kind of putting you on to something that's like super duper advanced unless that's honestly your ministry and you want that challenge. Honestly, to each their own, baby. You do what you got to do. I'm your biggest fan if you want to do all that. However, if you are kind of like really starting out fresh and you don't have a clue where to start or what to make, then I highly suggest you do start using Procreate, because that's honestly very low barrier to entry. It's super easy to navigate through. It's super easy to learn. I honestly taught myself Procreate in 2 days. Okay, 2 days. And that's because all I did was watch videos and just like practice right after that. And I'm constantly practicing. And I think again, that's where we just kind of lose it. We have to practice to sharpen that skill, because eventually you're going to become an expert. Now, when it comes to using sites like Etsy, selling on Etsy, this is where you might want to start thinking about what to start looking for in a product, right? So that way you can kind of put 2 and 2 together and you're going to start seeing patterns of what people are creating, specifically when they're using Procreate. So let's take a custom portrait, for example. These are honestly really good keepsakes, because who doesn't love a personalized product, especially when it comes to like custom, you know, for couples. I just seen a lot of like couple portraits being done from Procreate, by the way, and people do different variations. So you can create things for children. I've seen people create like home illustrations. You have a lot of opportunities here. Another product you can look into when it comes to using Procreate would be like digital stickers. I've seen people create digital planners when it comes to using Procreate. All in all, you have a lot of different options. So if you have an iPad, if you're sitting there thinking about getting an iPad, and perhaps this is where you want to start making money online, highly suggest, okay, you look into the Procreate app, especially because, I mean, like, why not? It's free, it's easy to get started, and I don't think that you will regret it, especially if you are willing to take the time out. And that's what this video is honestly all about, okay? So I don't know about you, but I love the idea of thinking about ways to make more money. Like, that's honestly something I'm obsessed with. Every time I think about something I can make more money from or start making money from, I just go down a rabbit hole. And if you're like me, you're type A, and you kind of have like an obsessive personality, then you know exactly what I mean when I talk about this. So let me know down below what you think. If you haven't used Procreate, have you been interested? Or if you do use it, let me know where you are in your creative process. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Bye, y'all.